This
So
conference will now
because
be recorded.
suddenly it is logging off. Let me check once again. It is log off means we have to do something else. Okay, because we have other login IDs also, but what is the problem? Only some 4 to 5 students only, they can only log in. Okay, so this is the thing which is happening. Okay, so anybody, please let me know very immediately that I'm my session is ending. So because I will completely involved with this Photoshop software, I'm not seeing here also this screen. So this is the thing happening. Okay, so I'll go to the other tool. Okay, so I'll go to this option, file open, and we have this eraser tool and magic eraser tool. Okay, now we have to make the collage work. So we have to create some of the designs with this thing. Okay, so we have to take the good quality of the images always. Okay, so any of the fantasy things we have to create it. So miniature drawings, anything we have to create it. So always we have to take some different kind of drawing like this. Okay, yeah, different kind of the images like this. So we have different kind of files over here. So we have to make the combination of the files. Okay, suppose we have, I'll teach you some of the tools itself. So you people, everybody know what is the use of eraser tool, background eraser tool, and magic eraser tool. Okay, so is that clear, everybody? Anybody having it, which is very important. Anybody who is having doubt, please let me know now itself. I have done this eraser tool, background eraser tool, and magic eraser tool. Magic eraser tool, it will work very good with the single color. If I use it for this color, look at here, it will not erasing properly. So that time you have to use which tool? So I have to cut only the sky, means you have to use the polygonal lasso tool. So I'll use the yesterday who are not attend the class with this polygonal lasso tool, I will select this polygonal lasso tool and I will select it. Now I don't want this sky, so I will click on this one. Always use control plus for zoom in, control minus for zoom out. So you have to select the particular area. So now I am selecting only this hill. So only this much area only I'm selecting roughly, whoever not attended last class. So here I am selecting control plus control minus. So zoom in and zoom out roughly I'm selecting. Okay, so you have to use the left click and you have to click it wherever the points you want. You have to click this and look at here. So you have to select like this, select like this. And now I don't want this much area, correct? I have to remove this, then only I can place the different things over here. So now which is there with the layer, background layer, which is there with the background layer. Okay, so now I will just unlock this layer. So this is the lock option here in the layers. This is the background layer. We have a unlock this way. I need to unlock it. Double click on this, which is going to unlock. Okay, and I'm just deleting this. So now I have deleted this. Okay, now I can place whatever the things we want. Now I don't want this guy, so I have to place something else over here. So I'll take some different image. So let me check what else we can place it. So something fantasy thing like this, or any moon, something like this I have to place it. So what I will do, the complete file I will take it. So you have to keep always using the move tool. So you have to keep beside like this tool, both the tools, you have to keep it like this. Anybody facing any problem still? Anybody, you people are facing any problem? Jennifer, Divyashriyam, Monal Singh, anybody having any problem with the login, any issues? No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So nobody is facing the problem, right? Okay. Everybody is joined, right? Yes. Please let me know if you people are any problem. If you are facing my voice is not clear, anything, please let me know. Okay. Yeah, we'll go to the Photoshop software. So what we have to do, whoever not attend the class, yesterday's class, so for them I'm teaching this polygonal lasso tool also. So how much ever the image we want it, so we have to cut that much only. So we have to click on this image. So with the move tool I am taking this complete file here. So from one layer to another file I'm moving. So here we have an option. So now the thing is, I have completely moved this file. So in the layers, we have to make the arrangement now. So I want to send this layer 1 to below the layer 0. So I have to bring it from layer 1 to layer 0 like this. Okay. So now how much ever the area we want, we have to erase it. So I'll use the Control T and Shift. I will use the Shift key and left hand. I will press the left Shift key and the left click. Okay. So I'm reducing how much ever the things I want. I'm just reducing it. So you can take it. Okay. Enter. So always you have to use Control T for scaling the image. So now this much area I don't want. So I have to use the eraser tool. So everybody know this eraser tool now. No need to use the magic eraser tool. So I don't want very sharp cut over here. So I want this eraser tool which is having opacity 25% or 20% also we can use it. Okay. So now I'm selecting this layer 1. See here how much ever this thing I want to reduce it. So I'll just use it like this. Okay. Okay. So how much ever. So now I have to merge with the other file also. So I want to do the collage work. So what I'll do, I'll take some other image also. So I'll just go to file, open, and I will take some other image which is matching to this file. Okay, so which is having a different colored background. Look at here, this one. So I'll go to the polygonal lasso tool and I will select this much sky over here. So polygonal lasso tool, always you have to use the left click. Okay. So left clicks. I'm taking this much. Only the sky I want. So I will cut this image. Control plus and control minus for zoom in and zoom out. Okay. Control plus and control minus for zoom in and zoom out. So I'll just go to this move tool and just drag and drop it to the different file. Okay. So I don't have any work with this old file, so I'll close this file. So now this is with the different layer like this. Okay. Now layer 1, layer 2 and layer 0 we have. So I'll select with this layer 2 and control T for scaling the image. Always you should use the shift, otherwise we have the small buttons over here. So those things you can drag it over here like this. Okay. So like this you can use it. So you want this kind of sky, you can make it. Okay. So now I'm unable to see this sun, so I'll keep this layer 2 to here. So what I'll do, I have to match with this layer now. So I'll check with the layer 1 and I will use this eraser tool. So here I will take this eraser tool. Opacity is 10%. I'll give only 10% opacity. And if I want to increase the brush size, we have to use the flower bracket. Otherwise, we have this brush option here. Size we have given here. How much ever the size you want, you can reduce it here. So otherwise, you can use it in the keyboard, the flower bracket. So here, slowly we have to click, we have to make it and it will get erased. So we don't want any sharp edges over here, so we have to make the natural image. So we have to match with the scenery. So we will make the, so we can give little bit opacity, 15% also we can give it. So All these are very small work. Okay, so slowly, how much ever this thing we want to reduce it, so that much only. Okay, so okay, so now I have used here three different images. So one is the background image, and one is the sun image. Anybody having any doubt?
Ma'am, is there a way we can make the same image reflected in the water as well?
Reflection you are asking, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I'll tell you how to make the reflection also. I'll tell you how to make the reflection. So that also I will teach you people. So, but here look at this thing. So this is completely a fantasy thing, right? Which is not available. And these are the things you can see it in the internet, all these things. So this kind of work we have to make it. Okay. So I want something like this kind of output from you people. Okay, so which is matching with this background and matching with the sky. So now before the this image is like this. Okay, uh, like this much only it is. Okay, so now I have added this one sky and the hills and with the sun and reflection you are asking. So before that, if I want to any other things, let me add everything. Later, I will show you people how to add the reflection. Okay, that is the final touching part. Okay, so any waterfalls and all, if I want to make it, so I will select here. I have this waterfall image. Otherwise, I have already cutted this background image is also there, so which is not having a good quality. So I'll just go to here and okay, so I'll take this waterfall. Again, here I cannot use the eraser tool or magic eraser tool. I cannot use it. So I have to use the polygonal laser tool. So polygonal laser tool means I have to cut only this much part. I want only this much only I wanted. So which can merge with this layer. So I will select with this polygonal laser tool, and I want only this hill or this waterfalls, only this much only I need it. So I am selecting this much. Okay, everybody following right what I'm saying? Okay, anybody having any doubt with the eraser tool, or anybody having any problem with the magic eraser tool or polygonal laser tool? Because I want the assignment by this weekend. Okay, everybody should do the assignment. I'm just taking the with the attendance with that also. I'm following all those things also. Okay, whatever the assignment you people are submitting me. Okay, so for the everything marks will be there. So whoever having the doubt, please make it clear now itself. So what I'll do, now I want only this much. So how much ever the area I want to select, it means what I have to do, always I have to use the polygonal laser tool. So if I don't want this much area, I want to remove it. Okay, delete it means that time you can use the eraser tool, polygonal laser tool or magic eraser tool. So that the thing is every tools are very important in Photoshop. So today I have learned this magic eraser tool. Yesterday I have learned this polygonal laser tool. I don't have any use with that one, and this is the easy tool, I can use it. It is not like that. All the tools are which is useful here in Photoshop. Okay, which is having different importance. Okay, so I'll go to here this using the move tool. I will select like this. So I'll close this file now. I want to make a waterfall. Let us see which is matching or not. Uh, okay, so otherwise we have to match according to the scenery. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go to here, eraser tool. Again, opacity is 15%. Slowly, okay, slowly. I want this background also, which is matching with this file also. Which is not matching means we will remove it, no problem. So let me try. So if it is one waterfalls also we can. how much ever matching, okay, you can use it that much only. Otherwise you can bring the hills over here. Okay, so like this, which is matching to this, that we can make it. Or any other things we have to cut from here, some of the things we have to add it for this, everything we'll add it. So let me check what else I can add. So in this only we have this much part over here. So I'll just go to this polygonal lasso tool and select. Okay, I'm keeping like this and go to this move tool. And because here it is look like it is a still water, when the waterfall will come means like waterfall will be there means, so you don't get the still water. Okay, so all these things you have to think. Okay, so we have to completely, little bit we have to change the water also. So I'll go to here again, eraser tool, opacity is this much. So let me change this. I'll just reduce the brush size because slowly we have to match this. Okay, so no need to give complete transparent. So only 15% I have given the transparent. Okay, okay. So we can take the copy of this file only. So yesterday I told you people how to take the duplicate copy. Anybody can tell me like how to take the duplicate copy of the file? Anybody can tell me how to take the duplicate copy of the file?
We have to right click and then
Huh. So we have to right click on where we have to right click. So we have to right click
on the
on the
layer.
layer. So yes, duplicate. I will take duplicate layer. Okay. So then how much ever the part we want, only that much only we can take it. So now I have to continue this much means, so I don't want this again the same stone and all. So I'll just remove it. See, look at this. It is going to remove. So if it is a still water, we can show the reflection. Otherwise, if it is this water is like this, so we cannot show the reflection. But I'll tell you how to give the reflection and all. I'm not given so much things and all here. So only very little bit water is disturbed little bit. So something like that only we have to make it. Okay. So because of this waterfalls, we have to add so many things over here. So where it come from, like all those hills and all, we have to add it for this waterfalls. Okay. So all because of this magic eraser tool and all this because of this opacity. Okay. So suppose if I remove this layers, so whatever the layers we have taken here, I will hide those layers. So you people want the reflection now. Now this same reflection I want it here on the water. Okay, so what I will do again, the same procedure. So I will select how much ever the reflection I want. Already this hill reflection is here, this tree reflection, everything is here. So now I want only this sun reflection. So what I'll do, I will select only this much area. I will select this much area and I have selected here. So I want to take the copy of this sun. Okay, here it is there in the layer 1. Always you have to select the layer 1 and you have to take the copy of this. Okay, so all are listening, right? Anybody is facing any problem? No, right? Yes. Okay. Yeah, tell me, anybody having any problem? Okay, nobody, right? Okay, so what I'm doing here, it is there in the layer 1. So you have to click on with the layer. If the layer 1 is selected means it is showing with the blue color. Okay, which is showing with the blue color like this. So what I'll do, I will take the duplicate copy of this. Okay, right click on this. I will take the duplicate copy of this. Otherwise, only how much ever the area I have selected. Okay, I'll make it Control J. Okay, Control J also you can make it, otherwise you can make the duplicate copy of this also. No need to select it like this. I will select, make it duplicate layer of this. So automatically, which is having one more layer like this. Okay, one more layer like this, which is having. So I will keep this layer on top of everything. So now I will flip it, Control T, and right click on this, flip vertical. So flip horizontal, you people know always it will come in the left or right side. Okay, okay, I will do use flip vertical. Okay, now I'm using flip vertical. Okay, so this is the flip horizontal option is there, or flip vertical option is there. So how much ever you want to see your uh, this thing moon, like we can make it like this and enter it. So I just use this eraser tool and see all these things I don't want. So that's why if it is in different layer, it is easy actually. Okay, you can click on here. So here you people will get to know why we should use the opacity. So I'll make it like this, and here in the layer I will reduce the opacity. Now I have to give how much? 30%. So only how much ever the reflections we want. Okay, so exact reflection we want means I'll keep the file like this. And if I want 50%, okay, so 50% reflection. If I want 80%, so 80% reflection will come. So exactly you will not get 100% reflection. 100% reflection means it will not look very natural. Always you should give 30% reflection is enough. Okay, so 30%, somebody who is not satisfied with whatever the reflection I have done, so 50% reflection is enough. So you are not able to see the full moon here inside this water. So only half of this moon only I'm showing here. Other things and all I have erased. Okay, so only how much ever the reflections you want I have given. Okay, so whatever the files you are we want to give the reflection. So always we have to how much ever the part we needed. So only that much part only we have to cut and we have to show the reflection here. Okay, so I'll just go to the other file and I'll show you like how to add the reflection very clearly. Somebody whoever not understood. Okay, so I'll just go to this bangle image. All are there, right? Okay, so now I have to select this one. So always what we have to do, so we have to select this one very neatly. We have to select this file. So using this polygonal laser tool, neatly we have to cut this. So we have to select it like this. Otherwise you can use this magic wand tool. So here we cannot use the, because we need a background here. Control minus. So background is very important. I'll select like this. Okay. I'll use the magic wand tool. So magic wand tool, whoever not attend the class yesterday, see I'll click on one point. So wherever the curves are there, so you have to click on with this. So automatically it will come according to the, so I'm not clicking anywhere. So wherever the curve shape is there, see I'm clicking one point over there. So again here I'm clicking one point over there. See automatically it is taking. So somebody who is feeling difficulty with this polygonal laser tool, but it is very important. Please practice polygonal laser tool. So because it will not give 100% properly output. So just I'll click on this one. So like this. So you have this option already. We have an option called in the polygon laser tool, this add to selection and delete selection. If some of the things we have to remove it, so that time we have to use the subtract selection, or if I have to add some part means we have to add to selection. So we'll go to this subtract selection, and subtract means you will get a minus option over here. I'll click on this, so neatly I will select this much. I don't want this part, so which is subtracting. Okay, so please follow the video whoever not able to understand, so which is totally different field for you people, so it is not that much easy to understand in one class. Okay, so please go through with the videos if any of the things, so you need a very uh, nice clarity, and the everything should be perfect means always you have to use the add to selection and delete selection. So now I will take the copy of this. Okay, so this is cutting this part. No, I don't want to cut this, so I have to take a duplicate copy of this. So I cannot make duplicate, right click on the layer, and I cannot make the duplicate of this. So if I'll give right click on this layer and duplicate means the whole layer will get duplicate. So only this much only I have to take the copy and paste. So I can use Control C and Control V. Okay, copy paste, everybody know that shortcut Control C and Control V. Okay, got it everybody? Control C and Control V. Okay, so otherwise you have an option Control J. Okay, use this option control whatever the shortcut till now I have used. Whoever not attend the last classes, see Control J for new layer. Okay, Control J for new layer, so it will go to the new layer. So these are the shortcuts, please write it down, all these options. Control Z, Control Alt Z, all these options you have to use. Control J, otherwise you can make copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste, you people know already, Control C and Control V. Okay, so now what is the thing is happened, now two different layers we have. So in one file only we have two different layers. So now I have to do the flipping option. Right click on this, Control T, right click on this, flip vertical means downward we need a reflection, right? So flip vertical. See, look at the bangle. So which is upper and which is a down. This also we have to look. Okay. So here, which is touching to the ground. Okay. So make it proper, straight. Okay. So I'll click on here like this. So how much ever the reflections you want, only that much only we have to add. So our table is this much only, enter. So I'll give opacity in the layer itself. I'll give 25% opacity. So this is the reflection. Okay. So how much ever the reflections you want, if it is a glass table or say you don't get 100%, yeah, 50% also reflection you don't get, so it won't look natural. You have to give always very light reflections. Okay, is that okay everybody? Anybody have any doubt with this reflection? So I want collage work and I want this reflection, everything. So everybody should do the assignment. So you, if you can show the reflection with the scenery also, no problem. If I'll get the reflection with the collage work also, no problem. Otherwise if you do it me with the separate reflection also, I'm okay with that. Is that okay? Anybody having any problem? Shall I ask you some question, you people? Nisarga, Nityar, Niharika. So if you people will talk, then only I could see like you people are there in the class. Okay. So tell me, Nityar, Lavanya, Arunima, Aditi, is it easy? How much reflection you people want to give? Suppose if you want to make a jewelry design or uh, any of the design. Suppose if I want, if people are standing on the floor, tell me how much opacity you have to give. Anybody can tell? If you want to make a
Maximum is
reflection on the
50%.
50%, what kind of floor it is, first of all. 30 to 25%, yeah, because see, it is a marble floor. Stone floor means you don't get the reflection only. If it is a very smooth, like a granite kind of a floor, otherwise you are standing on something water kind of a background, or any glass kind of a background, means you will get like 10% or that much of reflection. Only in the water you will get a 50% reflection. That also if it is a very plain water, then only you can see the reflection so much. Otherwise, where you will see so much reflection? Correct. So, like if you keep the ornaments on the glass table, or yeah, even only with the glass table only, you will get the reflections like this. Correct. Kavya Harshini, Prachi Jain. Anybody having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I want assignment from everybody. Okay. Because nobody is getting doubt. I feel it is easy. And who are downloaded the Photoshop, some students, only some 6 to 7 students only yesterday downloaded this software. Who are not downloaded the software till now, who are not downloaded, please message me in the chat box. Yeah, Darshini, what happened, Darshini? So every day we are increasing the assignment, because I'm teaching every day different tools. So by the time you will get the assignments also, it will be more. Okay. So anybody having any doubt, please try to install the software, everybody. Okay, so I want maximum assignment. So this is a reflection. So like that, you can take different files, and you can make the reflection. And here I told you, right? So if you want to make this collage work, so we can make this collage work. Okay, only, so we have to select this layer and look at this waterfall. I will select this. Let me check whether we can do something with this or not. Okay, I'll just give 20% opacity. So only this much part which is having little disturbed water. Okay, Control T, I can make it. And yeah, I can make it little bit like this. Okay, so see here, even with this water also you can see the reflection. So here, if you want 50%, I have given. So if you'll give 30% means it will give only natural look. This is a natural look. 30 to 35% means you can see the reflection like this. Okay. So, but I don't like this waterfalls which is not come properly. So let me check. If I have a good waterfalls, then we can add it. Okay. So I have this tree image also. We can add the tree image. So nothing else we can add it here. Here we have the ground. So what else we can add it? Everybody tell me any ideas, please give to me. So anybody can tell me like what kind of images we can add for this fantasy world we have to create. Just go to this eraser tool. Anybody who is not understand till the basic tools, polygonal lasso tool, magic wand tool, and I'm unable to cut the image, I'm facing any problem, anybody please let me know. Like still they're not open the software itself. Yeah, somebody who not installed the software. So For the single image, we have to add multiple things. Okay, so now I have to change this ground and I have to add something else means. So let me go for this image, and what else we can add it. Is that possible? We can add this bridge. So this is very small image, and yeah, tell me anybody. What else we can add it for this? All are there, right? Connection is not disconnected. Some stones I want. See, look at here. We have nice stones over here. So I'll go to this polygonal laser tool again. Here you cannot use this eraser tool. Okay. So I will select some of the stones from here. So roughly I can select it. So how much ever the stones I want. So in one images I'm taking this whatever the things I wanted. So which is matching to my background. Okay, so I'll go to this move tool. You have to keep it like this and you have to bring it from this tool. So now things are over here. So I'll take it Control T and just I'll just scale this image. So I'll just erase the tool. So erase will give not only erasing things, and it will give some fine output. So here I'll make it 10%. So 10% it will give. So you can merge this layer. So from one layer to another layer, you have to make that smooth this thing combination will be there. So that will give always the eraser tool. So it is one very good thing with the eraser tool. So it will give nice effect. See, that is look like the water is continuing from here to here. The water is flowing here. Okay, so how much ever you want, you can erase it. Okay, so something which is not there, so we can create those things with this eraser tool. This is the reflection. Yeah, here also we have this one. Okay, even this green color over there, so that also it is there. Okay, so before it is like this, some muddy effect over here. Okay, so we have removed those also. Okay, slowly you have to use the eraser to make the thing. Okay, we can cut again with this background only. We can cut this image, we can cut this stone, and I want to take the copy of this means again Control J. So I want to place one more stone over here means you can place it like this, and here, and again eraser tool. So some smooth reflections, the cutting edges and all we should not see means. So look at here, the edges and all I'm making smooth with this eraser tool. So with the edges and all I'm making smooth. Okay, so it should look natural. That's why you have to go to the particular layer. Okay, select that particular layer and yeah, see it is in layer. So nowadays day by day these layers will increase. So if we'll do so many collage works means, so what happened, so all these works will get the things will get increase, the layers will get increased. So before I have taken layer 1 only, one layer 0 I have taken. So for this only I have taken many layers. So somebody who is sending me the assignment, you have to take the photos like this with the layers. I want this complete image like this. I want to see how many girls they used different layers. Because what happened, so some students they will do everything with the one layer, and they will face the problem that may ma'am we are not able to move anything, everything is merged with the single layer. So if you'll keep everything with a different layer, so then only you can do the changes. Suppose I don't want this layer means I can hide it. So otherwise I want it okay means that I can keep it. Otherwise completely I don't want this layer means you can select it like this, and there is an option called here delete layer. Okay, so if I click on this delete layer, everybody can see, right? So there is an option here delete layer. So delete the layer, layer 6. Now the layer is completely deleted, which is not there in the layers also. Okay, so now I want that layer again. Once again I want it means I have to use Control Z. Okay, now the option is like this. Anybody having any doubt? Anybody having any doubt with this eraser tool and magic eraser tool and the opacity reflection options? So many things are over polygonal laser tool and magic wand tool. So always you have to practice with that only, because the next we are going to do the product design. So like how the things are happening with the Flipkart and Amazon, those things and all. So everything we need a background with the polygonal laser tool and magic eraser tool. Those tools only we are using here. Okay, so all these things are very important, so everything should look natural. So we have to make a design like this. Many of my students, they have done very good with the 2 3 class itself. So I'm trying you to people like you people also send me maximum assignments. If you're doing one assignment also enough for me, two or three, anybody that is your interest. Okay, so if I want to add some trees over here, let me check whether I have one coconut tree here. Let me check whether I can. Already background is removed, so let me add this tree whether it's matching or not. Not coming only this tree. So what is the problem? The layer is locked. Yeah, so it's not working only. So I'll use this magic eraser tool. Sometime it will look like the background is removed. So could not use a magic eraser because it doesn't work with the colored image. Yeah, so this file is not supporting. So let us see if I'll get some other tree over here. Yeah, I have one more tree over here. So look at here, this is the tree. I'm just having white background. So I have to remove the white background. That means immediately I have to use the magic eraser tool. I'll click on this white thing. So here and here. So it is erased totally all parts, and the background is become transparent background means which is it will come this block kind of things you can see, right? So that is a transparent background. So you can keep it like this, and here using the move tool you can drag and drop it like this. So wherever you want you can. No, I don't want this file. So wherever you want, where you want this image, Control T, and just where we have to place this file, somewhere here. See, always the layers are very important. So you have to place this tree top of everything. What we have to do? Anybody can tell me? So now I am unable to see this tree over here. What I have to do? Anybody please tell me?
Ma'am, you should drag that layer to the top in the layers bar.
What is the, anybody can tell me what is the option we have to use it? Nitya or Tanisha, anybody can tell me like what is the option? Yeah, whatever she said is correct. So we have to keep it on top of this layer. So we have to select like this, click on this layer 8, and we have to drag and drop it to the layer 1. Okay, so now you can see here there is a tree over here. So I'll just use Control T. So I'll make it little bigger size, and here we have a option called eraser again. So smooth changes, small changes, this naturally we have to make this tree like this. I have to click on here. Okay, so any of this thing neatly it should come is slowly like this we have to do the changes. Okay, so this is it will look very naturally. So wherever you want you can keep this tree, otherwise you can take the duplicate copy of this, the duplicate copy of this. So right click on the layer, there is an option called duplicate layer. Okay, so duplicate layer. So by the time you can make many trees over here, so wherever you want you can keep the trees over here. Okay, so you can make n number of trees. Okay, how many how much ever the trees you want, you can keep n number of trees. Okay, so it won't look natural. Okay, so naturally if you want to keep it means. Okay, so anybody having any doubt? So I have to save this file, so I will keep only this much. If you people want I will keep the tree over here, otherwise anywhere I'll keep it. I'll just remove it. I'll select it like this. Want just slowly somewhere here I'll keep it, and eraser tool. So okay, so like this we have to make it so naturally. So I have to save the file. How to save the file? File, save as, in the format of PSD format. Always make a folder in the desktop. Inside that we have to make a Photoshop work or any folder called Photoshop. Inside that always PSD format in a different file and JPG format in a different file. So I'll use the tool whatever I have taught you people. So that is Magic Eraser tool or Reflection, anything you can use it. Otherwise work 1, work 2, work 3, something like that you can save it. So I'm just making with the Magic Eraser tool the file name, so which is saving in the format of PSD. Okay, I'll just save the file. Okay, so now I want the source file, whatever the format we are seeing, that is a Photoshop document file, so which is the source file. So when you will open that file, you need always the Photoshop to open that file. But I want to send somebody the photo by WhatsApp or in the Facebook, you have to place the file means, so you have to save it in the format of JPG. File save as in the format of JPG. Is that okay everybody? So save the file in the JPG, so which is Magic Eraser tool. In that name itself it is saving. Okay, the quality maximum I have given here, so 12. Okay, so I'll just save it like this. Okay, so we have reflection here, and we have the waterfalls over here, and we have the stones and the trees. All these things are there everybody. Okay, is that okay? So now where is my file which is saved here? Where is the file? I'll just refresh it. Mm, and let me check where is my file. Yeah, I have saved here outside. So this is my output. So directly you can open this file and you can see it like this. So we have created totally different background. So when you will open this file, you can see if you want to make any corrections, any changes you want to make it. So those things and all we can make it. So I have added once, this is the separate file, and here this tree is a separate and the waters are separate. and this falls are separate. Okay, so some corrections also we have to make it to this area, this. Okay, and this moon which is looking totally different. Okay, so like that. Yeah. Okay, some changes and all we have to make it still, so we need lot of time for everything. Okay, so I'll close this file for today. Anybody having any doubt?
No, ma'am.